Hello, my name is Nelly Jamile Moya Fandiño. I have 22 years old and I currently in the works and study. I derive from in the Susa Cundinamarca and countrysides in live my parents and brothers. At the moment is live in the Shia Cundinamarca. Hobbies and preferences. In the playing basketball and read the works personal growth. In the rain bicycle in the every weekends, I am the pet in the dog. The name Muñeca. Important English and professional. In the personal, sourcing grow personal and professional. And I keep and support the workers in the care and the professional in the protection of their health in supporting my family in the fathers and sister brothers. um, Thank you so much.